Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and at home. And as you can tell from the video, from the title I should say, that I am going to be making slime in a bag. So why don't we get started? First start off with some glue, some brand new glue. I'm gonna squeeze some of the bad boys in. Alright, the glue is in. Now I'm gonna cover this up. Okay, second thing that I'm gonna be adding is some shaving foam. Let me go get something to mix with. Not to mix with, to actually get the shaving foam off of my hand. And I'm also gonna add a little lotion in. The lotion kind of escaped, but not so fast because I have it. There we go. I'm gonna stir the borax with my water to make activator. Sorry about that. It's just trains. Gonna add a tiny bit. Oops, I think I added too much, but time for the fun. Time to seal and time to go crazy. It's turning pink. That's kind of weird. Still a little sticky, so I'm gonna be adding a little more activator. This slime is really sticky and dyeing my hands soon. turning out the slime that I wanted to, but it's fine. Oh. This was a bad idea to make slime in here, because now my hands are gonna be messy. Do not make slime in a bag. Okay, it didn't turn out that bad, but the problem is it's not stretchy, not fun to play with. It is satisfying, but not satisfying that much. It makes nice cracks, but I don't like it. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. So if you liked it, give it a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Well, bye guys.